Good morning, students. Today we'll try to practice about maths. That's chapter 8, trigonometry. Let us see how we'll able to learn about this. Okay, so what is the topic is trigonometry. It's a most important chapter for class 10th maths. So we'll we'll try to practice what this topic is about. Okay, so this is a trigonometry in which this concept is applied only on the one type of triangle, that is right triangle. So here I will draw one triangle that is 90 degree. Okay, so this is a triangle. Let us say we label it, it's A, B and C. Okay, so this triangle is a very this triangle is very unique in one way, that it is only 90 degrees. Okay, so it is. Now we'll learn about ratios. We have 6 ratios in this. One sin theta, another one cos theta, tan theta, then we have cosec theta, we have sec theta, and we have cot theta. Now, what we need to do is just we need to learn about this, that this side is called perpendicular, this side is called base, and this side is called hypotenuse. Okay, so what is given is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse because this is the longest side is given. Okay, then now what we can do is we have to learn these ratios formula. How? What is given? Sin theta is equal to P upon H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is B upon H. Tan we have P upon B, that is perpendicular upon base. Then cosec we have inverse of sine, that is reverse of sine we can say. Then or briefly I can say a reciprocal of sine, that is called sin theta, that is H upon P. Sec is a reciprocal of cos, that is H upon B, and cot is a reciprocal of tan, that is B upon B. So it's very easy to learn by heart. See, maths is a subject which we have to do by heart. Okay, so now this is what they have given. We have 6 ratios in which we have to find their values, how they will be applied in this triangle in this chapter, and how we can take the help of a right triangle. Let us see. Okay, we can take few examples also how we'll find these ratios, but before going to that, let us take one more thing is what is they have taken is, one thing we all know is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is the theorem which will be applied in this triangle to find one of the side. If 2 sides are known, then one side is unknown, so which we need to find the unknown side. How? That is the theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, so lot of things are there. Now what to do is, we have in an example we will see that how to find this. For example, we take the question they have asked, like how will you find a side, by using this formula first. Okay, what they have given is this triangle is there. Okay, let us draw this triangle A, B, See, now they have given this side 24 centimeter. Okay, and one more side they have given in the question is 24 and that is 7. Okay, so they have given this side. Now what to do is we need to find this side. How will find it? For example, this angle we are taking is theta. Okay, so now we'll find okay, a perpendicular square plus base square. We will able to find hypotenuse square. 7 into 7, 49 plus 24 into 24, 576. So this you got 625 is equal to square. Now you have to take the square root here. So you will get this 625 is equal to h. So therefore h will be how much? It will be 25. Okay. You can easily find the square root. We have already earlier studied in 8th class or 7th class also. Now how to find a square root of that is very simple way. You can find its factors. Okay, like for example, if I divide 625, it will be by 5 because 5 will divide by 5. Then again will divide by 5. Then again 4 times I have to do it. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5, 625. So you will get like this. So we are calculating square root. So we will find one pair one and we'll take one outside. So finally you got 25. Okay. So that is how you able to calculate the square root of any number. We have two methods. This is a simple method and another one is a which method you can take, long division method. Let us see how will you find it. Like if they have given 625, same number we are taking. And this, what we need to do is first we need to see that how many numbers, how many digits are there. These are 3 digits, so we'll divide like this. Take this pair or first one, this one. Okay. If we can't take it in pair because these digits are in odd form. Okay. So what will we do in this? It is little bit different from simple division. Okay. I have to take this number 2 and 2 same here. 2 into 2 4. I can't take 3 because 3 into 3 will be 9. So same number we have to take it. Okay. And after that difference will be 2. Now you can easily put it down this pair. Now in this we need to be carefully take we have to see that same number will be added here and you will find 4. 2 plus 2 4. Now here is 4. Which number I have to take it here so that easily you can take 5. 45 into 5 we got 225. Okay. So these are two methods for calculating the square root. Finding the square root of any number by this long division method or by this method. Okay. I hope it's clear now. So we can take more examples to find another number. Like if I take one more example for this. Okay. Now they have given one more triangle is there. Okay. Now that is 12 and 30. Now you need to find this. How will you find? In another example now I am taking it. Like they have given hypotenuse perpendicular. But we don't have any base. So how will you find it? It's very simple. Same formula. Pythagoras theorem you need to apply. Now what they have given? Perpendicular. 12 square plus base. But base they have not given. Because in this we need to find the base. So we have to keep this same. Yeah. Now hypotenuse they have given 30. So 12 square 144 plus base square is equal to 13 square is 169. 13 into 13 you will find. If you multiply you will get 169. Now what will be base square is equal to 169 minus 144. You get 25. Here you find very easily square root of 25 is 5. So you're able to find this. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you can easily find the unknown side of the triangle by using the known sides. That is why we use this theorem, and that is theorem is Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse. Okay, so I hope it's clear now. So how this it goes? Okay, now you can easily find from this. Now you know this side 25, so you can easily find these ratios whatever which is given. Okay. One more thing I need to tell you about this is what I have given is if I take this angle theta, so these formulas are applied similar way. But if I take angle this, then what will happen? Only one thing will change. This perpendicular will become base and base will become perpendicular and remains the same. Okay, rest remains the same. So that is what only one thing we need to remember, that if I change this angle from this to this, if I take this angle theta, so perpendicular will be this or base will be this. So these sides will be reciprocal, you can say, or reciprocate. Okay, so that is what they have given. So this is how it begins with the trigonometry. It's a very easy chapter, very easy topics are there. So we must need to practice more questions so that we can apply on this. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, so that it may be clear to you very easily. Okay, let's do it now. We have to take it another example for this. Now this Pythagoras theorem is clear. I hope you are able to connect with me. So now it's clear. Now we'll take one more example. A little bit of challenging question now we will take. A very easy question is there, but what we have done till now is a little bit different. How? See, what they have given is okay, they are just making a right triangle. That is, this is given. Now what they have given in that question I have in my hand, that is, you can see that this question is, they have given P, okay, wait. What they have given is, this is Q, okay, this is R and that is P. This is a right triangle, okay. This side they have given, PQ is given 5 cm. So what we have given, let us write first. PQ is equal to 5 cm. One more thing they have given, that is PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm. Okay, this is given. Now what they are asking about is sin P, cos P, tan P. Sin P, cos P, tan P. Now they are asking about this angle. You need to find sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay. Now how we will able to find? Let us see what they have given. See, what is this Pythagoras theorem? So we need to apply Pythagoras theorem only. What they say, if I apply this, PR whole square is equal to QR whole square plus PQ whole square. Simple. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, so this is they have given. Now what is this? They have given PQ. So we can take this side. So what will happen? PQ whole square is equal to PR square minus QR square. Now we know the identity which we have earlier learned, or we have remember in 8th class we have studied also in earlier classes, that a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Very simple, no need to worry. Let's take it. Now, pr square minus qr square. So we can write here pr minus qr into pr plus qr, and that is pq whole square. Now, pq, we know the value, they have already given 5. So 5 square is equal to 25 is equal to, okay. Next thing is pr minus qr into pr plus qr. Now see, pr plus qr, they have already given 25. Okay, so we will write pr minus qr into 25. Now pr minus qr, we got the value is equal to 1. Done. So now we have two values. Let us take this equation and take this equation. Okay, so what you now got, two equations we have. Now we will solve these two equations. pr plus qr plus qr is equal to 25, and pr minus qr is equal to 1. We can easily add these two equations and we will find what? Twice of pr is equal to 26. That is, pr is equal to 26 upon 2, 30. Okay, so finally we able to calculate this side, that is pr 30. Now put this value in this. So what we will get? qr is equal to 25 minus 30 is equal to 12. So finally I am able to find these two equations. How? These two, where you want to set is these two sides. So we have pr, that is 13 centimeter, and qr, that is 12 centimeter. So I hope you able to understand why I am finding these sides using Pythagoras theorem, so that we able to find the whatever the question is asking. What they have asked is sin p, cos p, tan p. Now what is sin p? P, you have this angle I am taking, sin theta, it is p upon h. So 12 upon 30. Cos p. How will you find the cos p? B upon h. So B upon h is base upon hypotenuse. 5 upon 30. And how will you find tan p? P upon b. So P upon b is what they have given, P upon b. This is P upon b, 12 upon 5. So that is how we can easily find the ratios or whatever the question may be asking. Okay, so that is, you can able to do it. I hope it is clear. And now it's a very easy thing we have learned. Now next thing what is given is about the values. What is the values what they have given we need to do. Okay, what we can do is okay, let's find the table. Now we need to take the values of this sin theta, cos theta. Okay, so now if for example sin 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, now we are able to calculate. So for this we have a table. So this table, let's draw here. The table is like something sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and that is cot. So now here I am drawing the table. From this table you can do this 0 degree, then you can do it very easily. 30 degree is there, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Alright. So now in this section we have the values. It's a very easy table. Everyone can easily remember by heart. Very easy table they have given. Let us see how we'll able to make it. Okay. Now what they have given is, now write the values. Okay. Let us first write these values, then I will tell you how to remember this table. Very easy. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is half. Sin 45 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Sin 90 is 1, and you will write 3 by 2 1 upon root 2 half 0. Very easy. Now we have 10. So what we can write, if I say 0, okay, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 will have root 3, and tan 90 will have not defined. Okay, like this. Now what is cosec is given. How will you find the cosec value? Here also you write not defined. I will tell you how this value comes. Very easy table. You can easily learn from this. Okay, not defined is there. Now, then 30. So we will find this 2 upon root 3 1. Now you have sec. So sec you will write 1 2 upon root 3 root 2. Okay, you have 2 and then you have 0. That is not defined. Okay, that is. Now cot we have not defined. Root 3 1 upon root 3 root 3. Okay, and then also you get the last one not defined. Nothing. Okay. So now you can see this table very easy. See what I have written is sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is half, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, and sin 90 is 1. Okay. So now what I have given is very easy to remember that table. Just learn this side, this sin's value. After that you can see here 1, then root 3 upon 2 is here, 1 upon root 2 half 0. Okay. So that is how you can easily learn that table by heart. Now how will you find the value of tan? There is a formula for tan. I can write tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So what is sin? Sin, like for example, if I take 0, tan 0. So tan 0 is there. So sin 0 upon cos 0. Now what is sin 0? 0. What is cos 0? 1. We will find 0. Yes. Okay. So that is how you can easily remember that table in a very simple way. Okay. So that is how you able to learn this table by tan. Now what you will get cosec, you already know. The cosec is reciprocal of sin, sec is the reciprocal of cos, cot is the reciprocal of tan. So rest values you can easily find very easy. Okay, so that is how they have given. Okay, now lot more things we need to do according to this table. Now how this table will be applicable now? Okay, we'll learn about this. So what they have given is, let us solve some numericals for examples. Okay, so we will able to connect with that table, that why we need to learn this table. Okay, what is the use of that table? No? So that is why what they are doing is, and this is now very simple. I will tell you more about this chapter. This chapter is very easy chapter. Okay, so this is a Very easy chapter they have given. Let us take now examples for that. I have a sheet of paper in my hand, so we'll see what examples is written on this sheet. For example, they have given sin 60 multiplied cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Okay, now they have given this sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. How will you find these values? Now, very simple. Just we need to remember the table. Sin 60 is, you can easily find root 3 upon 2. What will be cos 30? What is the cos 30? Root 3 upon 2. Plus. Now, what is sin 30? Half. What is cos 60? Half. So, what will you get now? How will you solve this? Root 3 into root 3. 3. 2 into 2. You have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay. So, that is how they have done. 1 into 1 upon 4. So, what you got? 3 plus 1? 4 upon 4. That is 1. So, they have given like this. Okay. Now, what is this? Is the we got the answer is 1. You just need to solve this. But you only able to solve this if you remember that table. If you are unable to remember that table, then you can't solve these questions. So you have to do it. Now, next example we can take. More examples we will take, so it will be more clear to you. Okay. Like they have given 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay. Now what? 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. How will you find this value? Very easy. 2 into tan 45 is 1. Cos 30 is, what is cos 30? What is sin 60? Root 3 upon 2. So now 2 plus this you can easily identify, it will be 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So finally you got the value 2. Okay, so that is how this table will be applied like such type of examples. So that is how you can easily do it. Okay, let's see one more example we have so that it will be more clear to you. Cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cos sec 30. Okay, now what is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30 is, okay, what is sec 30? Very easily we are able to solve such type of examples. Sec 30 is, what is sec 30? You know, the value is 2 upon root 3 plus cos sec 30. Cos sec 30 will be 2. Okay, now it is in a fraction form. We need to solve this first. Taking an LCM, you will find 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, and here is 1 upon 2. Okay, so after taking LCM, you will find this. You can solve here 1 upon root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, I am just taking this upon. So that is how you will be able to solve this. Now what you got? Root 3, and here you got, if I write 2, if I take common, so you will find 1 plus root 3. Okay, so that is how we are able to solve this, or you can simplify it further by just rationalizing it. If you rationalize, what you will get? Let's rationalize one by one. So you can take 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3, and here 1 plus root 3. whenever we rationalize anything, sign changes. Okay, so we have just change the sign in between. Now you have this value. Now 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. Similar one which we have done earlier. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So what will you get? A square minus b square. Root 3 ka whole square 3. So what we will get here, we will sort it out. So we will get root 3 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2 into minus 2. So it will get root 3 1 minus root 3 upon minus 4 root 2. Okay. So that is how you got this. You can sort it out taking the minus sign common. What will happen? Root 3 minus 1 upon 4 root 2. So you can easily do it. Okay. So finally you able to get it both. Complicate हो गया है. Root 3 into root 3 if I multiply, or you can leave it out like this. Okay. So that is how you able to simplify that. Okay, so that is what they have given. So we can conclude on this also. So no need to solve it further. Finally, we are able to get that also. Okay, so that is they have given like how you need to simplify this. So for this, first and the most important thing is we need to have table. Okay, so you have to learn by heart so that you can easily apply these values in such kind of table. Okay, so that is what they have given. More things we have, more identities now we have to further solve this. How? Let us see. Let's move further. This chapter is very easy chapter. We can easily, take more examples, more practice questions on this. We'll sort it out one day. Okay, we'll take this chapter more seriously because this chapter weightage is also more in board exams. So I have to take it very seriously. It's a very simple chapter. It's not a big, if we able to go step by step, no. So this chapter is very easy. Now let us move further. What other thing is given in this chapter? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to, you have 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. Okay, so this question is given. So these identities are there. You have to remember that. But we can prove also. Let us prove. Okay. So what they have given is a very simple way. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now what they have given is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So how will prove it? Let us prove. Okay, let us prove this. So what they have given, we'll see how we'll be able to solve it out. Okay, so they have given like sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now what they have given is, how will you prove it is in a very simple way. Like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How will you prove it? Cos square 30. Now what they have given is, what is sin 30? What is sin 30? Sin 30 is, you can see from this formula, cos 30. What is cos 30? Oh, wait. We have taken a wrong value here. Sin 30 is half. Plus cos 30 is this. Now you can see easily 4. Taking LCM 4 upon 4. What I got? 1. And what we have written here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Easily, very easy thing they have given. So what is next is, in this, next more thing we can prove 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta, if I take this value, what is tan? Tan means what? What they have given if I take tan 30. So tan 30 is 1 upon square. So you got 1 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, if I write this value 3 plus 1, taking LCM 4 upon 3. Okay, now take this side also. Sec square theta. What do you want? Sec square theta is, if I take sec 30. What is sec 30? What is sec 30? We have here 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Let's square it. We got 4 upon 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. So similarly, we can prove like this. So this is what is given. One more we can prove. 1 plus cot square theta. Take this value. 1 plus cot square. If I take 30 degree, so cot square 30 degree. 1 plus cot. What is cot 30? Root 3. Cos square 1 plus 3. Now what it is? Equal to cosec square 30. So you will get cosec square 30 degree if I take this. So what is cosec 30? Cosec 30, cosec 2. So 2 square is equal to 4. So then easily prove these identities. Okay, but we have to learn by heart so that we can solve more numericals on this. Okay, so that's for today. We'll solve next. In next class, I will solve all these numericals based on these identities. More we will discuss about on this chapter, that is trigonometry. So for today, thank you.